a little green pepper, onion, chicken book.
Chicken book.
It's a chicken book. Chicken foot and chicken back. Soup, soup!
Pressure, pressure.
That is it. Who want that pressure? Eh?
That's true.
In a real life, man. And I done my boy, man.
Right.
Majority of my artist friend them right now, them all have some ferments to see me upon some different thing.
Different energy.
You see me? So we not gonna like we give up on
No,
it.
man, I suppose, man,
Still
no,
like
anytime,
it,
right? You know, so anytime come, man, mad.
When we fall back in night, man, everything active, bro.
Yeah, so, bro, yo. Right now, for your face in that one, brawling in that one, yeah? Dog party, a tear,
Bro, up until today, man, majority of boy them to see them we are checking for the music thing them said we are. Them a do it right, man. And no matter how all the song them be, man, them still a play them said. Yes, man. Yeah, man. Alright, my people, right now, just borrow them my shit and just so me get a few fire stick and go and prep to start up the soup pot. So I don't know the code. Go and like, comment up and subscribe. So no girl not. Yeah, man, so in the meantime, as I say, I'm go and do right. Alright, people, right now I'm gonna unload whatsoever we bring inside of the bag them so that we can deal with what needs to get dealt with. Have the ground food them, sweet potato, carrot, yam, dasheen, and also banana. These feel kind of soft, but you know, piece of pumpkin, cocoa, don't know, green seasoning. For a whole, a long time me no see chicken back. All the time, when you know like you cut up one whole of chicken and you buck up on the back part, and you remember say, yeah, see chicken back here. A long time me no see how chicken back. You know, the process of chicken back and I do chicken back in the kitchen. Other day, when me get to realize a chicken back me did a consume, and when we done a Kayla, the video where Kayla cook with the brown stew chicken back and white rice, cause me I tell us, I even didn't know say a chicken back did a look but me just start consume. So I look for some meaty part of chicken and me can't find it, so me a circle Natalie plate, not plate, the piece of chicken and me can't find on a meaty part. So me I say, oh, a chicken back. Then me realize, say, alright, a hit. And just leave it at that. Yeah, good while me consume chicken back. So I just say, alright, why not just get some along with a few chicken steppers. We can mix them together in a soup. And can get them prep up and we have some lake also, some perch. We do want bring them to fry them also. And we did want to come here with a lot more friends and family, but however, not everybody is present at the moment. So yeah, I can see. Got the perch them, the back and the steppers. So right now, I'll get them clean up. You can't turn up, me say. Girl afraid, guys. Take time, not be careful. Careful of the current right here, so. See it? Don't move from there, so. It swallow you. Guys, me get these stuff clean up all the way around this side. You don't know we can't rob the place. So this is my ear. More money, pa more money. We got cash. Knife dull. Julal fish pot you can set over there, so you know. Fish pot. Mm. Can make fish pot? You say if you know to make it, you can make it. Me just go and 6 Go make some and carry them go put us something. Don't give me a close up. Yeah, and in there, yeah. Hey, have a nice river crab them in here to people. What? Nice crab them it on there. Hmm. Guys, your girl, not Natalie. Don't know them have to enjoy the water. As I said before, we come around here with Natalie, but the place never did I give no access to come across. Well, block up. So we just come back yesterday and come get a sneak peek. You see it there? That's the outcome of my lovely moment. Nice summer, yeah. I just see money for my mind, me a talk about cheddar. You know what this, Joel? Yeah. Oh, Mr. Tan right there, so. Stay there, so no come down no more. Yeah. And where's the current? Everybody want to come and river and John. You know that I know. One saver here. Protect on life. I check him back this, huh? People come like, then debone the chicken back before them we get it. Mm-mm. Or a common for who knows? They are me a scaly fish them right now. And I want to tell you no, so me not carry no oil for fry them a fish. No oil. And I don't want to boil them in a soup because you don't know we have not and we have Joel. I have Natalie. And I really want to harm them with the fish bone them. So I'm not going to really add in it because we never have a strainer. We don't have a strainer with us so that we can strain the fish. So, I don't know where to go. And fish I just have to go to scale, put up, and maybe we bring them back home, who knows? I will not nothing for roast fish or anything, but yeah, so I go. Eyes them a burn me guys. Sweating on me eye. Woo! So I can do for them in here. One dog they up there, so some will give them the fat them. Chicken back look like a common fall butcher. Yeah, that's why I need to put a chicken back to you one time. The best time for me guys to eat chicken back I when me like have roasting breadfruit, just curry it and just the best way that to my liking, yeah, curry chicken back and roast breadfruit. Guys, everything clean up right now, so we kind of move every pot from up there so I can cook right at the riverside here. So that is it. One can chop this. Pass this so stay right there. Remember your light. Loves your life. Habis. Iya na sa. You know that. Prep up the fire guys, quick and fast. Don't know a soup and soup na done quick you know. Soup take a little time fi deal with. That's why ever tastes so good. Everything there.
This guy is a nice soup. Chicken back and chicken foot.
So yeah, tell me say differently. You know what on my mind from me come here? You know what on my mind from me come here? Atu ho ta Joey Shabi.
Itu intal, itu.
Intal. So when you see any hand where my stretch, you show your belly can see hand even a move like come out of water so you know say boy ready. So I got Georgia. After this me know you can't swim. Tell her that. You only make one mistake and you get perfect. You see all me? When me nearly draw that one place and I see Joe grab me enough for me shot back so you know. Bam! Bloop, bloop, go up there so! Oh!
I went to nearly go. You say, the whole time with us, rest from my head.
Yeah man, man.
You say, I'm not going to take a night, but it's the idea of you. But how many, you know?
If nobody may see you. You want to become
I like to piano.
the said acid ashes. You feel like it's soap better. I see him. Eh? Yeah man, cause when you use the oil now and the oil go burn, you see you stay in the frying pot. Yeah, yeah. And people, two pot set. That is it. Rinse off me and again. Huh?
No, you're not windy. Like last time. Do the wind.
Some of them stone are slippery clean up people, so for mine now yeah slip.
Soup, soup, pressure, pressure.
Shut up the girl let them know guys. So that you put in the meat you can go and work with the meat. Two best collaboration that you know when I put on the peas I go on the garlic, help soften it up. That's how the people say still so. Traditionally what we see people do, you know. So if they say kind of help you get soft up, you just see, huh? We are guys who don't know what I see Wingy. I tell you say current did it strong. And that's why me I watch it two of them you know, cause in that way current strong. As you take them with guys and you look round and go to reach way 1 mile away from you. That's why up where rock them there is most likely the safest spot around here. Because the current a beat on the stone them first before it bring you out. And the water rotate back up the sun. Yeah. The whole area kinda nice because even though around there so the current a should the current mostly should which part the stone is because you have to go through the narrow places then between the stone them. So that's why it push more current. And you have a fall go down in a one deep area down there. So it's a lovely river. I'm gonna do the knife again. As time pass. Rinse up the garlic then people. So you can see it's water ready to go out. You know. Right, let me know the meat when can go in. Now have to wait for it to boil. Let me see half my pan of it. That is it. In the meantime, that I go on. You have a piece of pumpkin somewhere about right here. So just cut your fine and put it inside. That is it. You know, I'm already gonna strip and clean up the rest of them thing there. But, you know why me go down there, so you know say you don't like me. You didn't know why you would have want to go down there, so how you would have come back up? How you think you would have passed right there, sir? You know this like current hall a while ago and suck you? Why for that? I play with it. Natalie says she baptized her own daughter, God. Father God, if that's a bad idea, forgive them, please. Right now, people, before the rain even come down for we sudden, I make sure say you get them thing outside, you get one zinc to can cover the fire. I start drizzle right now. Meanwhile, your girl I'm on it I fire. Natalie. And then pick me up catch shrimps. You say the link Kayla for Mexico have? You know about wood. Big up yourself. You tell Kayla. The link up Kayla. The link up Kayla. You want one of them have free so this is to me. Let me tell you something. No, no, let me tell you something. This is the thing you need to understand. You know why? You don't feel like me not study you, you know. You see, when me hear somebody else say something, I make sure say me and you hear it. Me know so when me do it, you will never have a problem with it. You not got a problem with it. You ask me if me think you're a pig or if me think you're a goat. When me I give you green skin for whatsoever. Exactly, I mean I tell you.
Weird, because I never see nobody in at all.
Here there.
In my life. Do that.
Me there for me yeah, that so me boil banana me there me yeah.
You don't look weird. You don't ask.
Get it but you don't ask me. You just so say you don't want it. Me say me thank God the day when me hear they say for what? Of course, no so me eat it. No so me look about my grandmother won't give. Huh? Worry yourself. Be old people me grow around. I'm a grow under discipline. And I all of them are go and I all of them you know. Yeah, the next one they will kind of soft up. Oh dear. That one now we are soft up. Oh. Can't spoil it. Get a body. If you mag I get body. You know. Okay, mo na. That not one comedian team. You can't hear no. When you can't catch him. You should catch what? Janga no call him. Didn't hear we are call him. Eh. Huh? Ano shrimps na niya? Oh, yan na sir. That with you. You don't know if it's where school is. Hmm? Dash into the pot. Sabi talaga got you right ano, you know. Guarantee sa no farmer make money. Tattoo everything beer right now. When I go outside, you know, if you look at ground food them, when I pick up, you know, almost 2 grand, you know, 1800 kick and fast. And it, you see facts they don't look that. Mm. Alright one. The business still you know, cause from one to me I buy. From one to me I buy, I mean a really busy boy price, but we just a look on the facts eh. At least a little something here.
I really want to try with that, but I really don't want to.
Yeah, I'm a busy boy price. I'm balling on one price. You know, one tier just not take it. I left back. Yeah, me buy I left back piece of fire here. You can eat with the cabbage. No, yo, the man. No, this is ripe, you know. So to me, I best ripe banana this ever get me alive. So you stay there. Huh? So yeah, sweat. Some people nice yellow yam. Jump going on. Tell I God shoot. I don't like a river. I want me.
If you want a stagnant dana,
Yeah,
right? Oh, so you can.
yeah.
As long as it happens.
So you go, man. People just too coward, man. You tell I got Joe, they know if it's certain people who can't swim, they love the fact that them a go river, you know, but if when me a go river, you see shallow part them, you want to see me in it. First of all, you have to train yourself first. Somebody know to train you. Enough people learn to swim off and then start doing. Mother me I wait so long for. The time I did I waste time in a river water turn up. Duck on head under water bottom. Get used to it. Huh? Yeah. I'm gonna you this. Yeah, the cabbage that the dumpling. I know that peel it in the see. A plant you. Hmm? Where? You dirty? I want part up there so. Best thing for your goggles when you go certain place.
What you going to make it jump for? You see it, you know?
Me kill him here! Take him up!
You can't know wake up, Joel. One, guy, pretty.
This a boy that easy.
Yeah. Yeah. I no job. Okay, man. Fine.
Oh, put him back in for
Be
me.
an egg.
Why?
And by the time I did have the shrimps them in the fridge.
Put him down there, sir. Okay, man.
Remember when I have the shrimp them in the fridge?
In the baby then.
Be an egg.
Let him go. I go to my work.
What the fish?
Fish not good.
The fish about them same way. See there? Mm-hmm. So back on up there. Look for monster one. Sweet potato, yam, cocoa, dasheen, banana, carrot. Okay, lovely. So one big piece of dasheen garden. You escape, you know. Yeah. I'm gonna do with this food and then come close. Yeah, man. Chicken back and chicken foot are going people. And them are get tender. Me a soup king, you know. Ever eat one chips name onion dips? You know, so one man did a sell you, I did well one top him. How you mean? Just with onion dips. How you mean? Are they my favorite snack that man? Back in them days. Come on guys, everybody live good. Everybody a good neighbor. That's why they combine together like this. Yeah, unity. Woo! No. What you mean like a who a cook? Me a God child here. Yes, when you provoke God. No, me gooder than them. Yes, when you're God's child. And God get upset, God react. God will flash lightning and thunder upon anyone and picking them. Remember say God have angry issue too, you know. God get upset at times. Oh, right now Father God beg so he go sacrifice him pitney fury. You want baptized, you know? You want baptized. You want baptized. You you not done. People right now sky I get black up. So that means the rain there's somewhere I fall, but to here just want little drizzling. Come on stop. But that not really slow it down because we don't have a roof. Yeah. Premium package delivered from Lana Clark Hardware. And same time it's soup for fire. That's much fire. Come like a pot roast pork. Jaja. So yeah, pot roast pork in man. Fire for another day. Oh yeah, that is it. Yeah man, people, as you can see the beauty of the soup already. You know some are not ready for no plate already, but you can't get it. See me? No, you know season down. Soup season are really gone in there yet. Which is the rooster soup. Some people call it cock soup, but we not put that in this. I'm gonna put in the pumpkin mix and them thing there now. Pumpkin spice and the chicken spice. One pack of the chicken spice, people, and the pumpkin one there. Yeah, live and direct.
The flavor is going in. That's my favorite.
Pumpkin time, you know. Get a rich flavor. I'm gonna bring along one little green pepper, same way. You know, too hot, you know, no spice to it, but don't know. Nah, go do no damage. Don't know if you can show me. Soup down little bit. Still fresh. As I'm bring the all-purpose seasoning same way in case. Okay. Never no salt, no salt. Salt would do a lot. Balance the flavor quick and fast, but work with the all-purpose. We give it a little more time to go and boil, guys. In the next 20 minutes or 10 to 15. 15 minutes and we just checking back on it. While all I seasoning boil out, soaking and everything. Imagine so we're there and we have we dumpling of go inside the soup. I know nobody not remind the chef say, yo, I'm on feed flour. Jaja. Right now me just remember it. Come here pack up something them. And me I go. Need it quick and fast. Flour when I first thing them should have add in my pot, but so I go. Can't do without dumpling though. I will still leave the salt because of that. I forgot to add all purpose tonight. They like a flavor. Alright, my boy. Come here. Look how soup rich youth. Eh? You ready for done the pot, though? You know, man. When you guys come in and we roll them dumpling up together. Make sure now I'm gonna plate them pan standby already. That is it, Sapo. Alright, people, right now. Go forward back and check back on the soup. Guarantee you know so then dumpling they go to boil and cook right now. Check on the show. Move my phone, man. That is it. Give it a stir. Lone meat, guys. Lovely.
Soup ready?
Ready right now. You see I thick? Tell me say for your body. Tell me. Make sure you see me not call me soupy. Can't call me soupy. Not call me soupy.
That's what that is.
Pepper buff. Soup!
Pressure!
That is it. Who want that pressure? Eh?
That's not true.
Alright guys, that is it. On my side. Soup full of flavor and it thick like my wife. So big up on yourself. Catch you back in another one.